Always, the best way to explain it is I go in for the handshake. Right there is where all that pressure is, right where you see it. The end of the summer, I basically got a hole in my hand right there.
Right.
And then I got a hole in my pinky right there, because when I come back, right there is where all that pressure is. So it's here and here.
And then that's where you
there.
cramp it too.
Yep. So right now, there's pressure points here and my thumb, because my pinky here is picking up the back, my thumb is pushing down on the front.
Okay.
Going forward.
Now, this is picking up, or putting pressure down, and this part's picking up. See that?
So it's basically reversed.
Yep.
So when you're going forward,